God. Okay, so I hope okay na ni siya. So, again, last, parang 2 weeks ago, I ordered yung Lazada sale na 94 pesos, or was it 94?
Mystery box.
94. And because of the gadget, ano yan? Gadget bundle for only 94 pesos. So, my daughter and I grabbed the sale. And we waited for almost 2 weeks. I don't know what happened. I thought wala na siya. So, but then again, I received the bundle today. However, I was so shocked because I received 2. So, yung expected ko is parang 218 lang. Kasali na dun yung shipment fee. But when it arrived, I received 2 bundles. And then, yung isa is 227. So, a total of 400 ata yung nabayaran ko. Unexpectedly. But, okay. So, wala na akong magawa kasi nandito na yung bundle. So, I'm excited. If ever I get lucky, probably I will have new cell phone, Samsung cell phone. So, my kids are also excited. Excited naman na. Yes. Okay, so let's open the first bundle. So this is 94 pesos. So medyo mabigat siya. And then in a box, ito, 94 pesos. Okay. So feel ko parang cellphone siya. Feel ko lang. Kasi ano siya, naka-box siya. Ayan. Okay. So, I'm going to open this now. Wish me luck for the... What's this? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po cellphone yung nakuha ko. It's a microphone stand. This one. So, microphone stand. Hindi man cellphone yung nakuha ko, pero worth it na din. I don't know if magkano to, but most probably, this is siguro above 94 siguro yung price nito. So, this is the microphone stand. Yay! So, paano ba to gawin? Paano ba to siya i-assemble? At least may pang-vlog na tayo. Pang-vlog. Ito ba yan?
Episode una ng gamay.
Hindi. Okay. I'll just leave this to my husband. He knows how to fix things. So, yes. For 94 pesos, I got microphone stand for vlogging. Yes, microphone stand for conference. Okay? So, that's it. So, parang okay lang din naman siya for 94 pesos. Yung microphone stand. So inayos na ng husband ko yung Lazada, yung microphone stand. So, pag nagmi-meeting kaming mag-anak, pwede kong gamitin yung microphone stand. Okay? So, and
Kuha yung phone to. Phone mo.
For the second
mo.
package.
Phone.
This one is for the second package. Parang kinakabahan ako.
Cellphone stand.
Ay! Paano nangyari yung naging microphone stand? Yung pangalan is microphone stand, pero cellphone stand. Di naman siya. Okay. For vlogging purpose. So, ayan. Microphone stand yung box. Pwede din gawin siyang cellphone stand. Pero parang hindi siya pwede maging microphone stand. Di ba?
Kani may microphone stand.
Ah, okay.
This one is microphone stand.
The box is microphone stand. Pero yung content niya is for cellphone. Yes,
Tanawa.
vlogging.
Sa likod, cellphone stand. Ito yung box.
Ah, okay.
Cellphone stand yung box sa harap. Pero sa likod, microphone stand.
So, two-face. Parang
Two-face.
two-face yung yung box. Doble cara. So, ayan. Pero, happy ako kasi for 94 pesos, I got cellphone stand for vlogging. Yoo-hoo!
Microphone stand na cellphone.
Microphone stand / cellphone stand. Now, let us go to the second box, which I did not expect. Ay, pero okay lang naman. Again, this is from Lazada. I paid, walang nakalagay. Yes, 94 pesos. This is 94 pesos. And then, the shipment fee, hindi nakalagay. So, okay, so I'm going to check this one. Okay, and this. Actually, hindi ako nag-expect the cellphone kasi parang hindi naman siya cellphone. So, okay lang din. I just hope worth it yung... Oh my God. Oh my God. Wala lang. Oh my God lang. Wala lang. Oh my God lang. Oh my God! I got another one. Thank you, Lord. I got another one. That one is for my husband. And this one is probably para sa akin. I got another microphone stand / cellphone stand. So, yung isa, parang cellphone stand siya. And then, ito, very thrilling siya kasi hindi ko alam kung microphone ba siya, for microphone ba siya, or for cellphone ba siya. So, we will check. Chadadam! Okay, I got this one. So, alam nyo na this. So, it means, ano siya, pang cellphone. Yeah. So, cellphone stand. Another cellphone stand. Hindi ko alam kung paano to i-assemble. Pero, I'll have my husband assemble this. Okay lang naman. Worth it din naman for 94 pesos. Actually, no. 94 pesos plus the shipping fee. So, okay lang naman. Thank you so much, Lazada, for this microphone cellphone stand na ipinadala nyo. Actually, hindi na talaga ako na-expect na cellphone siya kasi for only 94. Talagang trinay lang namin. Out of curiosity siguro. My daughter wanted a cellphone. So, out of curiosity, why not try the Lazada gadget bundle, right? And then, after 2 weeks, I got this one. And thank you so much, Lazada, for this. That's it for today. Again, I'm happy about this one. Mag-iisip muna ako kung kailan ko ito gagamitin. But I'm happy. At least, I got this one. Maybe next video, kasi nag-order din kami sa Shopee. So, yun talaga. Sure ako nga, dalawa yung in-order namin. So, I just hope, please check on our next video about unboxing. Not Lazada anymore, but it's Shopee. So, we'll check if sino sa dalawang to yung babe? Dili, tehik, muhatak.
Hindi magamot.
Hindi ba damot? Yung galante. Sorry. Yung galante magbigay. But for Lazada, this is worth it already. So, check on the next video. Probably next week. for the Shopee, for unboxing Shopee. The same thing, it's 99 pesos. And then we ordered 2. So, stand by. And again, thank you very much for watching. And I hope, again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if it's not so, ano yun, parang, kalimot ko. Yeah, okay. If it's not too much, please do like and share. That would be all. Thank you.